Kenya is experiencing a powerful shift toward clean and renewable energy. Across cities, towns, and villages, more homes and businesses are investing in solar power systems to reduce electricity costs and improve reliability. This transition is opening exciting opportunities for young people, technicians, entrepreneurs, and anyone willing to learn practical green energy skills. Among the most profitable of these skills are solar installation and maintenance. For many years, employment opportunities in Kenya mainly focused on traditional office jobs, agriculture, and trade. However, the modern economy is changing quickly. Technology, renewable energy, and smart infrastructure are creating new careers that did not exist a few years ago. Today, solar energy is no longer viewed as an expensive luxury. It has become a practical solution for homes, businesses, farms, schools, hospitals, and factories. As a result, skilled solar technicians are becoming highly valuable. One major reason for this growth is the increasing cost of electricity. Many Kenyan households and companies struggle with high monthly power bills. Business owners are always searching for ways to reduce operating expenses. Solar power helps them lower costs over the long term. Once a system is installed properly, the owner can save money for many years. This financial advantage is encouraging thousands of people to invest in solar systems. Another reason solar energy is growing rapidly is the unreliable nature of power supply in some areas. Blackouts and unstable electricity affect businesses, learning institutions, and homes. Solar systems provide backup power and improve energy independence. In remote areas where electricity access is limited, solar energy has become one of the most practical solutions available. The demand for skilled workers has therefore increased significantly. Solar companies need technicians who can install panels, connect wiring, configure inverters, test batteries, and troubleshoot faults. Customers also need professionals who can maintain their systems to ensure maximum performance. These needs create strong income opportunities for trained individuals. Learning solar installation is not limited to university graduates. Many successful technicians begin by attending technical training institutions or vocational centers. Some learn through apprenticeships where they work under experienced professionals. Others start by studying electrical basics and gradually specialize in renewable energy systems. What matters most is practical skill and reliability. A beginner in solar installation usually starts by understanding how solar energy works. Solar panels collect sunlight and convert it into electricity. The generated electricity is then controlled using devices such as charge controllers and inverters. Batteries may also be used to store electricity for use during the night or during power outages. Understanding how these components work together is important for every technician. Safety is one of the most important parts of solar installation. Technicians often work on rooftops and handle electrical equipment. Proper training helps them avoid accidents and install systems safely. Clients trust professionals who follow safety standards and deliver clean work. One of the most profitable skills in this industry is solar panel installation. A technician who understands system sizing, panel mounting, wiring, and testing can earn a good income. Small home installations may cost clients between 80,000 Kenya shillings and 500,000 Kenya shillings, depending on the system size. Commercial projects for schools, offices, and factories can cost millions of Kenya shillings. Experienced installers can earn substantial income from such projects. Some technicians charge labor fees, while others supply equipment and offer complete installation services. Those who build strong reputations often receive referrals from satisfied customers. In many cases, word of mouth becomes one of the strongest marketing tools. Maintenance is another highly profitable area. Solar systems require regular servicing to maintain efficiency. Dust, wiring problems, battery issues, and inverter faults can reduce performance. Maintenance technicians inspect systems, clean panels, test components, and repair damaged parts. Because maintenance is needed repeatedly, it creates recurring income opportunities. Battery technology is also becoming increasingly important. Modern solar systems are shifting toward lithium batteries because they last longer and perform better than traditional batteries. Technicians who understand battery management systems and hybrid inverters are becoming more valuable. Clients prefer professionals who can recommend reliable energy storage solutions. In farming regions, solar-powered irrigation systems are creating another profitable opportunity. Farmers need affordable water pumping systems that do not rely on expensive fuel. Solar water pumps help reduce operating costs while improving agricultural productivity. Technicians who specialize in solar pumping systems can find many opportunities in counties with active farming activities. Kenya's agricultural sector is gradually modernizing. Farmers are adopting greenhouse farming, drip irrigation, and smart water management systems. Solar energy supports these technologies effectively. As climate patterns continue changing, reliable irrigation systems will become even more important. This means solar-powered agriculture may continue growing for many years. Commercial and industrial solar installations are also expanding rapidly. Hotels, supermarkets, factories, and shopping centers are investing heavily in renewable energy systems. Large institutions consume significant amounts of electricity every month. By switching partially or fully to solar power, they can reduce operational expenses and improve sustainability. These large projects require advanced technical knowledge. Technicians working on commercial projects need to understand load calculations, system design, electrical protection, and energy monitoring systems. Because the work is more complex, the payments are usually higher. Some solar professionals move beyond technical work and become consultants. Energy consultants assess buildings and recommend efficient energy solutions. They help businesses determine how much electricity they consume and how solar systems can reduce costs. Experienced consultants may earn very good income because businesses are willing to pay for expert advice. The renewable energy sector also offers opportunities for entrepreneurs. Instead of working as employees, many technicians eventually start their own businesses. A small solar company may begin with basic installation tools and a few clients. Over time, the business can expand through referrals and quality service. Starting a solar business in Kenya does not always require huge capital. Basic tools may cost between 20,000 Kenya shillings and 80,000 Kenya shillings. Training and certification can cost between 30,000 Kenya shillings and 150,000 Kenya shillings, depending on the institution and course level. Marketing, transportation, and business registration also require some investment. One of the biggest challenges for new technicians is finding customers. However, digital marketing has made it easier to reach clients. Many successful solar businesses use social media platforms, websites, and online marketplaces to advertise their services. A technician who understands online marketing may grow faster than competitors who rely only on traditional methods. Professionalism is extremely important in this industry. Customers expect clean installations, honest pricing, and reliable communication. Technicians who fail to keep appointments or perform poor quality work often lose trust quickly. On the other hand, those who maintain professionalism usually receive repeat business and referrals. Continuous learning is also necessary because technology changes quickly. Modern solar systems now include smart monitoring applications, remote diagnostics, and automated energy management features. Technicians who continue learning about new technologies can remain competitive in the market. Another growing area is electric mobility. Electric motorcycles, bicycles, and vehicles are slowly entering the Kenyan market. As this trend expands, there may be increasing demand for solar-powered charging stations. Technicians who understand both solar systems and electric mobility technologies could benefit greatly in the future. Young people in Kenya are especially well-positioned to benefit from renewable energy careers. Many graduates struggle to find employment in traditional sectors. Green energy provides an alternative path that rewards practical skills and hard work. Instead of waiting years for office jobs, many youths can build income through technical services and entrepreneurship. Women are also increasingly joining the renewable energy industry. More organizations are encouraging female participation in technical fields. Skilled women technicians are proving successful in installation, maintenance, project management, and renewable energy consulting. This is helping create more inclusive economic opportunities. International organizations continue supporting renewable energy development across Africa. Investments in clean energy projects are increasing each year. This support is helping improve energy access while creating employment opportunities. As Kenya continues positioning itself as a leader in renewable energy, demand for skilled workers may continue growing strongly. Environmental awareness is another factor driving the green energy transition. Many people now understand the importance of reducing pollution and protecting natural resources. Solar energy helps reduce dependence on fossil fuels and supports cleaner development. Customers increasingly prefer sustainable solutions that are environmentally friendly. Despite the opportunities, Success in the solar industry still requires dedication and patience. Beginners may start with small projects before moving to larger installations. Building technical confidence takes time and experience. However, individuals who remain consistent and continue improving their skills can eventually build successful careers. Networking is very important in this industry. Building relationships with suppliers, contractors, electricians, and engineers can create more business opportunities. Joining renewable energy associations and attending industry events may also help professionals stay informed about market trends. Customer education is another important part of the business. Many people are still learning about solar technology. Technicians who explain systems clearly and honestly often gain customer trust more easily. Good communication can make a major difference in winning contracts. In some cases, technicians partner with financial institutions to help customers access financing options. Because solar systems can be expensive initially, some clients prefer installment payment plans. Businesses that help customers access affordable financing may attract more clients. The future of Kenya's green energy sector looks promising. Population growth, urbanization, and increasing electricity demand will continue driving investment in renewable energy solutions. As technology becomes more affordable, solar systems may become even more common in homes and businesses. People who enter the industry early may enjoy long-term advantages. The experience gained today could lead to larger opportunities in the future. Some technicians may eventually manage large commercial projects or establish successful renewable energy companies. Green energy skills are not only profitable financially, but also meaningful socially. Solar systems improve lives by providing reliable electricity, supporting businesses, improving education, and increasing productivity. Technicians contribute directly to economic growth and sustainable development. For many Kenyans, renewable energy represents more than just a career opportunity. It represents hope, innovation, and progress. The industry allows individuals to solve real problems while building stable income streams. This combination makes solar installation and maintenance one of the most attractive practical skills in modern Kenya. Anyone willing to learn, practice, and remain disciplined can succeed in this growing field. Whether someone chooses employment, freelancing, consulting, or entrepreneurship, the opportunities are substantial. As Kenya continues advancing toward a cleaner and more sustainable future, skilled green energy professionals may become some of the most valuable workers in the economy. /span/p/body